World-class content, world-class results, world-class speaker. No one delivers a workshop the way that legendary Jeff Cowan does. Not only does he deliver the most up-to-date and effective content, Jeff delivers every workshop and presentation with a level of passion not seen anywhere else. 35 years of onstage experience has taught Jeff how to masterfully gain and keep each attendee's attention for the duration of the workshop. Jeff has the unique ability to make all who attend his meetings realize that they are capable of maximizing every opportunity and becoming an elite service employee that delivers world-class service and maximum results for themselves and their business owners. Most who attend one of Jeff's workshops regard it as the absolute best service workshop they have ever attended. That's why many who attend Jeff's workshops come back over and over again, bringing friends and associates with them as they do. If you want to attend or expose your team to the most important workshop they will ever attend, presented by a true world-class speaker, then sign up today for one of Jeff's upcoming events. So if you want to gain an instant 5/10 in customer repair average and grow your average to 2.5 and beyond, learn how to have a 92 and 95% effective labor rate, get your customer retention above 80%, have near-perfect to perfect survey scores, and eliminate disgruntled customers and heat cases forever, then you must send your service employees and yourself to the #1 automotive service advisor and service employee workshop on the planet. Dial 1-800-248-2931. Again, 1-800-248-2931. Right now and get registered. You can also visit us at our website, automotiveservicetraining.com. Again, automotiveservicetraining.com, and register there. World-class content, world-class results, world-class speaker.